Steps, and today I have finally got the camera that is recommended for the most new YouTube starters like us ourselves. And this is a very good what you say, for 12,000 rupees where you're getting a lot of value and a lot of features in this camera. So today I'm going to show you what you are going to get inside the box, and rest of the videos that we are going to shoot will be done from this camera only. And one point to note is that this video has been shot by the LETV LEMAX, so you will have an idea how good this smartphone's camera is. So let's begin. So it comes with, first of all, paperwork, protective pouch. This is a very good quality pouch, feels very sturdy. A shoulder strap. This is very cheap quality with plastic hooks. USB cable to transfer your photos and videos and recordings to PC or laptop. AV cable for DVD players. A micro HDMI cable. This is very handy. It's worth 150 rupees or around 2.2 or something dollars. A SD card, standard size, not the micro SD. SDHC card. A battery cell charger with 4 rechargeable batteries. And our L840. It comes with 2 accessories, that is one lens cap and one shoulder strap. It also has these 4 temporary single-use Duracell cells. So let me quickly install these and give you an overview of the camera. On the bottom side there is this push button. Push it up and slide it towards the right and it will open this flap. So you can install 4 cells and the SD card. So this is a 38 times optical zoom lens from Nikon. Here this is a rubbery material used for better grip. Then there's flash, and there is a flash button right here. You have to press this to get the flash up. Here's the zoom button and a zoom saver that I will get into a little bit later. So on the top, here's the shutter release button with zoom ring, the on off button. There's this speaker and the Wi-Fi starter. So this is a 3-inch TFT tiltable display, and it can tilt into any angles that you would like. If you are taking a very downward shot, you can tilt the screen so you can look better at the screen. So on the right side there are many buttons. The red one is for the video recorder. It will start your video recording as soon as you press it. Then there's scene mode and menu, delete button, and playback mode. Then there's 4 photo related options for flash, macro shot, exposure control and timer. And then there's the OK button. At maximum zoom, as you can see, the lens protrudes out so much. This definitely is not going to come into your pocket. The menu control is very basic and very simple. You have image mode, white balance contains all the manual controls. And let's see what's the maximum video frame rate that we can record in. So if I go into movie options, there you can see we can record in maximum of 1080p and 30 fps. We can also record in 60 interlaced frames, but I do not recommend using that. And then there's 120 fps at 480p for slow motion. And all the options are very simple to control, very basic. And then there is scene mode, so you can select different scenes, different filters. The control is very basic and very simple. You will get used to it very easily. Picture taking is also very smooth. That's as simple as that. And this is the playback button. So you can even edit the image while you are in the camera. So you have photo saturation, illustration, self-portrait and etc. Also there is an option to zoom into the photo. So you use the ring, so you can actually zoom into the photo, get into minute details. That's a good feature. So this is again a zoomer, so you can zoom in and out. Upwards is zoom in and downwards is zoom out. This is a zoom save button. So for example, you have zoomed too much distance. For example, you are on like 35 times zoom and you have lost the subject. So you can press this button and this will give you a short look of wide angle lens, so you can find your subject again and you can focus your camera on that. So this is very helpful. So if you have any queries or questions related to this camera or any setup that this requires, then you can ask me in the comments. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more